Are you also waiting for that right day and the right time to start meditating but unable to because it feels heavy? पर क्यों? Meditation is as important for your mind and body and overall being as the nourishing food is, as the good sleep is, and all the nutrients is. Nowadays, all of us are living in our to-do list कि यार ये करना है, वो करना है, ये अचीव करना है, आपका टास्क ये है, उसने मुझे ये कहा है, and multiple thoughts and the scattered thoughts plus living in the fight and flight mode. In Ayurveda, this state of mind is called the Rajas state. Sattva is a default state of our mind, which is the peace, which is the wisdom, where we feel love and where we have time for everything. So, we all aim to live in the Sattva state, but living in the Rajas state because of our scenario and because of the environment. So, the meditation basically helps us to level up from the Rajas state and live in the Sattva state. And by doing it, you will be in action, but yet peace means you will be focused, yet relaxed. Just 5 minutes per day is enough. So what does this meditation actually do to you? You know, while doing the meditation, what we aim or what we intend is just one, and that is Chitta Vritti Nirodha. चित्त मीन्स योर मन, वृत्ति इज उसकी जितनी भी दुष्टियां होती हैं, राग, ईर्षा, द्वेष एंड मल्टीपल थिंग्स. निरोधः टू रिमूव इट. एंड व्हेन वी एक्चुअली रिलीज इट, वी वांट व्हाट? We want to feel more at peace. We want to feel happier and joyful. Dhyan means actually bringing all your attention back to yourself. And the moment you bring all your attention back to yourself, all the distraction has been released. उसने मुझे ये कहा था, ये मुझे करना है, वो ये कर रहा है, अभी जाके चाय बनाना है या दूध वाला आने वाला है, ये मेरी टू डू लिस्ट है, अरे बॉस ने ये कहा था तो मुझे अब ये रिप्लाई करना है. These are so many distractions. But right now, our intention is one, to complete this thing, to be one with ourselves. And the moment we sit with that intention, at that moment, our sattva rise. So what happens in your body? Cortisol levels automatically reduces. Cortisol is the stress hormone. Your nervous system starts relaxing. The moment your nervous system starts relaxing, automatically hormones starts coming in balance. Your digestion starts improving, your focus starts improving, and your retention power increases. And importantly, you are more at peace with yourself, you are more joyful. So for that, we need to at least start our meditation journey. मैं नहीं कह रही यार 8 अंग करने हैं योग के, but yes, there's a few things that we need to start. And if it's a busy day, if it's a scattered mind, so it is must for you, because you need to be more productive, you need to be focused yet relaxed. You know, basically meditation is your first choice to come back to yourself. The moment you choose to meditate and sit for yourself, you are giving signal to your man that I am here to listen to me rather than all the urgencies around. Right now, I am intending to be with me. The moment you choose it, what happens in your body? The energy starts flowing well. Why the energy starts flowing well? Because all that distraction that is around, those urgency mode that you live in, all those thoughts that you are giving the priority, you are giving the signal to shut it. You are giving the signal, no, I am above it. You are giving yourself the priority. It enhances your focus, it improves your sleep also. So if you sit 5 minutes daily, at least for 21 days, the benefits that you see is not only in your mind, the relaxed state, but what you see also in your physical body. You will become better and a healthier version of yourself, and you start feeling more at peace inside. कभी कभी ना आप लोगों ने फील किया होगा कि एक ना अनाहत पे, हार्ट चक्रा पे एक मशीन चलने लगती है, which in general language we say कि यार palpitation हो रहा है, और some people say कि restlessness हो रही है, you know, and it increases when we feel more anxious and more fearful. So, this machine is basically the triggered emotion or the high rush state. If you also feel so, if you sit for the meditation just for 5 minutes, you will start feeling कि वो जो machine घूम रही है, it will start getting more relaxed. The unwanted emotions start getting released. And you start coming back to your default system. And that default system is Sattva. So within 10 days, what you will feel? You will feel that you are less reactive, you are responding well, and you are more at peace. In 21 days, you'll start feeling that your productivity is being enhanced and you are having very restful, peaceful sleep. 40 days in Ayurveda, it is one mandala. And 40 days where your cellular cycle gets complete. So if you are practicing it for 40 days, you will become a newer version of yourself and you are shifting from one orbit to another, to the orbit where you wish to be. So now important question is that how to meet that best version of self? So the first step to start your meditation is choose your time. Yes, I am saying choose your time. I am not saying that wake up in the Brahma Muhurat and do the meditation at 5 p.m. No, I want you to choose your time where you can be consistent daily. Second thing is that, choose that small corner, and then that NLP will say that neuro-linguistic programming will happen with that place. There will be that rewiring and your balance will be restored. Third major point is that start small. लम्बा नहीं बैठना है, पूरी शिद्दत के साथ बैठना है कि I am dedicating this 5 minutes for myself, for being my better version and to evolve to that new orbit. एक दिन में हर प्रॉब्लम तो ठीक नहीं हो सकती, मगर एक दिन सारी प्रॉब्लम ठीक हो सकती है. If you are ready to take out those 5 minutes which are important to you, then we have the full guided meditation 5 minutes video for you. Listen to it for every 21 days. Do come back and every day share your experience there. So when after 21 days you will see your journey, you will be feeling proud of yourself and you'll see the major shift in you. Sakhayu Baba.